It was the top secret and seemingly impossible dream of the CIA, conceived in secrecy and born to fulfill a clandestine mission. At 16 miles above the Earth, it traveled 1 mile every 1.64 seconds. So fast, no aircraft or missile on Earth could catch it. On America's 200th birthday, it shattered the speed and altitude record for a jet-powered aircraft, a record that still stands today. The SR-71 never fired a shot, but it helped end the Cold War. The heroes, the hardware, the history, the Flight Test Museum, where the sky has never been the limit.